This is the fifth time today. Or, I don't know how many times. Fourth time. So we got a ride the first two.
Max, you're tired? Max? What? You're tired? You're whispering like zombie. Whisperer. It's just like West Virginia mountain. Someone's planting lemongrass. There's a pig over there, boy. Look, every house here have a bike, motor like that, because that's just, it's very important. See? You're wondering how they have the fucking bike or motor. That's just the cheapest item that you can have. Watch out! Wipe it some more.
Okay, you got both knees, both hands.
Wipe it in your shirt. Wipe it in your shirt. What's that? Boy, that way. Come here. That way.
Okay. He's getting hurt on his knees and cut so bad.
And there's more to that. It's just fucking mild.
I wish somebody doing this.
There.
You
That's
know,
what you
these
wish.
plants gave you that
You like
rash.
wishing. There.
You got the rash on these plants.
Don't let the plants, Max, touch your face. Got rashes all in my legs. Watch out! You will fail again. Eyes in the road.
That's what my mom said. I'll say back 1,000.
So small. Not enough for your cook every day. There's things here that's just causing us to walk here. Causing us to just walk. There's no problem walking. Problem is there's just no transportation. You can't rely commute because you still walk. Careful. That's where President knocked her tooth. Lola's house. It's my mother's house. It's their bathroom. Unsa ka na, May? Napurma naman lagi yung kwarto. Sos! Gaina raman na siya diha na tug na pod. Wait. Yahay. Ay kagwang. Ay dugi-dugi. Ako ni pasa dito sa kanang kuan. Tagalayng nasod. Igno na ko ang mga balay diri o payag pero naay motor. Among balay kuan dili payag pero walay motor kay katok nay. Here go. Scared. Hoy.
Uy, dili naman napasagdan ko sa kuan dito ako nang may stress sa president magawas ilam na ipsulat. Ilan po kaya nang gym ka na?
Jim, taka.
Wala
Hoy,
akong dumbbell.
go.
Wala na akong dumbbell.
Jump.
Max bayot.
Asa ka? Pinaltihan ko yung laptop. Narasig panukot.
What happened?
She's going to pay the laptop. It's already 9.
What's up?
There, boy. There. No. No, you can't just jump. Jump. There. No, that's not how you jump. You don't need to jump. You just need to, what's that called? Cross it. Watch out, boy. You wait here. Go. Go, 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 go.
Not only do I not see any motors or vehicles, so that one, but I don't see any anywhere.
Because they were just yet needed. Or that vehicle they're waiting.
Are they out?
Looks like. Max, this way. Faster. They're out now.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Wait, boy. It's so hot.
Get over.
Come here, boy. Closer. I'm not there. I don't like it.
Get over.
Come here.
I'm so bad.
Max.
Everyone has umbrellas.
Mm. Who's that coming here? That's grade 1. Is Preselin did even wait? Who is that? That's grade 1. Wondering where's Preselin. Play. Yeah. No grade 2 have bag like that. That's only for grade 1. That's yeah. It's them. Grade 1. That's grade 1. Wait. There's grade. Wow.
Kids just walking.
I didn't know that Preselin have classmates. Napas Preselin dito? Nas Preselin dito ah? Ah. They're classmates.
Everyone's just playing.
She don't care about going home. These people, who are they? You wait, we're almost there. We're almost there. No, you wait.
What's stressing you?
Kiat gyud ang mao. Ah, baklay pa biya mi, kamang pa biya mi.
What's stressing you? Look. You can hear.
Oh God, she's there.
They're second graders.
No one Max smiling. He thinks he's in.
He's what?
Move on, Max. Move on. Oh, careful. Ulit na mo? Oh my Jesus, so hot. Here's James.
Hey, babe, let's go.
Where's your bag? And your water? Yes. What happened here? Huh? Oh my Jesus, he's in. Oh no, Max is there for the bag. Oh no, he jumped. Say bye to your friends. You're done playing? You want to go home now?
No, I'm not done playing.
Nayawa na. Where is he? Nah. So they're not tired enough then? They're not?
I know you're having so much fun watching Preston have so much fun, but I'm just in here sweating.
No, you're not having fun. Look at Max, he's in.
Huh?
He's one of them now. Oh my Jesus. Max, you will fall! You will fall! Press the line, make sure you don't fall. You will fall.
Let's go. I didn't come here for this.
Oh my Jesus.
Who's that?
Max, sige tired.